Welcome back to a new video of Android tutorials. In this Android tutorial, I am going to show you how to add a Google sign-in Android Studio. In my previous tutorial, I had explained you how to connect a Android Studio project with Firebase project, and before that we had made a login screen for our social media application. So if you had not watched that both videos, then I recommend you to first watch that both videos and then watch this video. First of all, you have to create your SHA-1 key, means for that purpose you have to move to Gradle, and here you will find this type of thing. So here you have to write signing report. So I am going to write signing report. So you can see recently I had created that. So when you press enter, then you will find your SHA-1 key, and move to your Firebase, and in that settings you have to add your SHA-1 key. Afterwards you have to get this background ID. So here I have login BG. So we will start with implementing that as an image view. First I have my image view with login btn. Afterwards in my own create method I had assigned them variable and set on click listener, which is sign in method. So for that I had added a Firebase authentication. So to add, first create a field in main activity, that is Firebase auth is equal to mauth, and after mauth is equal to Firebase auth dot get instance. Then we will create a request to get all the email IDs present in that phone. So to get that request, I had made Google sign in options GSO is equal to new Google signing options dot builder. So this is the default function you have to implement in your project. So default signing, then request ID token with a default web client ID. So don't change this name. This will automatically get the value of it. ID token. Next we have request emails and build. Then we will make one new Google sign in client in our main activity, and afterwards you have to write m Google sign in client is equal to new, and add this Google signing options with our Google sign in client. Afterwards we will get the data from our Google signing client. So intent is equal to get sign in intent. Then we will pass a code. So when activity result for that particular code, then we will start a task which contains Google sign in account. So if this task will successful, then I will add a new method, that is Firebase auth with Google, and if not, then we will log a warning. Afterwards we have to move in our Firebase auth with Google. So first of all we have to write auth credential is equal to Google auth provider dot get credential. So here we will get a token from this, and then we will add sign in with credential, which will credential as you can see. Then I will add complete listener. In this, if our task is successful, then we will get all the data through this user variable. So here I am writing user dot get. So you can see all these details we can get from our sign in user. Okay, and if it is, then we will show the, so you can see the code for that also. And if user is already signed in previously, then in our on start method we will check that if mauth is not equal to null, then we will show directly a profile screen, which we will design in our next tutorial. So to watch the social media application profile screen, you have to subscribe this channel, like this Android tutorial, and share this Android tutorial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.